In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Skype audio alerts. First things first, let's navigate to the Skype website. Once you're there, you'll see an option to open Skype in browser. Go ahead and click on that. If Skype prompts you to sign in, just enter your account details to continue. Now, with your account open and ready, look for three dots, or what we call the More options menu. It's usually found at the top or side of your Skype interface. Clicking on these dots will open up a whole new set of options for you to explore. Once you've clicked on the three dots, a drop-down menu should appear. Here you'll want to find and click on Settings. This is where you can adjust all sorts of preferences for your Skype experience, so it's a handy place to know about. Inside the Settings menu, there's a tab labeled Notifications. This is where Skype allows you to customize how you get notified about various events, like messages, calls, and you guessed it, audio alerts. Navigate to this tab to proceed to the next step. Now for the crucial part, turning on those notification sounds. You should see an option specifically called Notification Sounds within the Notifications menu. If this setting is currently off, simply toggle it on. This will enable Skype to play a sound every time you receive a message or a call, ensuring you never miss out on important conversations or updates. After turning on the notification sounds, take a moment to explore the other notification settings available. Skype gives you a lot of flexibility in what you get notified about and how. Adjusting these settings to your liking can greatly enhance your Skype experience, making it as intrusive or as discreet as you prefer. And that's it. You've successfully turned on your Skype audio alerts. This small but significant change will help ensure that you stay connected and responsive to your contacts on Skype. Remember, keeping communication lines open and accessible is key in today's digital world. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to make the most out of your online experiences.